Hi, welcome to the Relive Happy channel. My name is Brenda and I am your self-love and happiness coach, and I help people live a happy and fulfilling life. Before we get started, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for more ways that you can create happiness, for self-love and self-care tips, stress remedies, positive thinking techniques, and ways that you can become a better version of yourself. Listen, do you ever feel frustrated waiting for a job promotion that never comes? Do you feel like you are making no progress in life? Do you feel like your life has no meaning? Well, listen, investing in yourself is a surefire way to get a great return on investment. Stay tuned, because in this video, I am going to share some ways that you can invest in yourself to become a better version of yourself. Hello and welcome back. My name is Brenda Douglas and I am your self-love and happiness coach. And listen, our affirmation for this episode is, I control my destiny. Okay, now we're going to say this 3 times and I want you to say it like you mean it. Okay? I control my destiny. I control my destiny. I control my destiny. All right, great job, guys. Now listen, the positive thinking technique for this episode is for you to, I want you to be responsible for your actions, okay? This means that you will hold yourself accountable for the role that you played in any conflict, any misunderstanding or mistakes, okay? You're going to admit your mistakes, own up to your mistakes, and then avoid making them again. Okay, you're going to take responsibility for your actions. Taking responsibility for your actions will help you to shape your future. Okay, it will help you make better choices for your life. Okay, and it will help you to become responsible for your own happiness. Okay, furthermore, listen, when you take responsibility, you go after what you want. Okay, instead of drifting through life waiting for things to happen to you, for you, okay, and waiting for people to do things for you. Okay, listen, the reality is that you are in charge of your own life. Okay, so we're going to stop blaming others. We're going to stop taking things personal. We're going to stop complaining. We're going to stop giving other people power to make decisions over our lives, guys, okay? And we're going to take responsibility, not only for our thoughts and feelings and words and actions, but also for investing in our lives, okay? Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world, once said that the best investment you can make is in yourself, okay? The more you learn, the more you earn, okay? So here are some ways that you can invest to become a better version of yourself. Practice meditation. Read something new every day. Don't judge others. Change your social circle to make it more positive. Leave your comfort zone. Listen, nothing ever grows in the comfort zone, guys. Get out of your comfort zone, okay? And that means people, that means places, that means things. Just get out of your comfort zone, okay? Listen, learn stuff online, okay? Google is amazing and you can learn any and everything, okay? So learn something new online, guys. Find a mentor. Okay, start a business, start a hobby, save your money, okay, instead of spending it all. As soon as you get it, some of you, as soon as you get it, you spend it. I was guilty of that at one time, but save some money, okay, save some money. Get out of debt and manage your finances properly, okay. Create multiple streams of income. I read somewhere that the average millionaire has 7 streams of income, guys. Okay, so that full-time job is really, it depends on what you want out of life, but 7 streams of income, that's quite a bit. And when you think about it, you have some celebrities who they do what they do. So whether that's acting or actresses, or whether they're athletes, they have their number one thing. But then they also may have a clothing line or a perfume line or makeup line. They have other things, tennis shoes. So they have other streams of income. Okay, so create multiple streams of income is another way that you can invest in yourself. Okay, have a daily attitude of gratitude, guys. Okay, when you are grateful what you have, you are open yourself to receiving more, and life is not so hard. Okay, so have an attitude of gratitude. I'm going to have to do another YouTube. I'm going to do a video on gratitude, all about gratitude and being grateful. So I'm so excited about that, but stay tuned. Okay, love yourself. Okay, practice self-care. Give yourself a timeout when you need it. For those of you who are just joining us, we are going over some ways that you can invest in yourself, okay? So give yourself a timeout when you need it. Listen to an educational podcast, okay? Exercise. There are all different types of exercises, from swimming to dancing to aerobics. Okay, so choose your exercise and exercise. Walking is another one. Okay, watch educational YouTube videos, okay, or videos period. There's another one that I just learned of, TikTok. Okay, so watch some educational videos. Okay, go to sleep and wake up earlier. That's a good one for me, because when I get my sleep, I feel so much happier, so much better. Okay, stop procrastinating. Choose your friends wisely. Get rid of toxic folks, guys. And listen, instead of my saying toxic friends, there are also toxic family members. You have to choose who you allow into your space, okay? Choose either a time frame, or for some of you, you have to cut them off altogether, okay? So get rid of toxic folks who are in your life, who are poisoning you, basically, okay? Stay in touch with family and close friends, okay? Read books and listen. I started listening to books, okay? So audible books is what they're called. So read books, read ebooks, listen to audible books, but read every day, okay? Make a plan for your life. Set goals for your life and then achieve them, guys, okay? And then also make sure that they're SMART goals. Make sure that they're achievable, that sets you up for success, okay? Avoid alcohol and drug use, okay? Visualize success, okay? See yourself there. It's okay to dream, guys. Everything starts with the dream. Everything that was created and beyond starts with a dream, okay? So it's okay to dream. It's okay to visualize yourself, to see yourself there. And then because it motivates you to move forward in that direction, okay? Listen, forgive yourself and forgive others. And this is very critical, because sometimes we make mistakes, or we make decisions that we constantly beat ourselves up for, okay? You have to forgive yourself and then forgive others, okay? And in terms of forgiving others, just remember that someone had to forgive you, okay? So forgive yourself and forgive others, okay? Take pride in your appearance, guys. When you look good, you feel good, as they say, okay? Listen, learn to cook a new recipe. That's always fun. I'm not, cooking is not my thing, but I challenge myself every now and then to learn how to cook something new, okay? Listen, don't worry about other people's opinion about you, okay? Let me read that again. Don't worry about other people's opinion of you, because it really doesn't matter. What matters is what you think, okay? Learn a new language. Manage your time wisely, guys. Eat healthier. Travel more. Invest money. Stop trying to win people's approvals. Attend seminars, workshops, and classes. Watch less TV or choose more positive shows. Okay, same thing for radio and listening to music. Choose something more positive and uplifting, okay? And then last but not least, find more ways to laugh and to live life happy, okay? Now listen, investing in yourself is critical for you to become the better version of yourself, okay? Now listen, I really hope this helps. Remember that life doesn't have to be perfect to be filled with happiness. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and then also listen, you're invited to join the Divas and Kings coaching group on Facebook, okay? I am Brenda Douglas, your self-love and happiness coach, reminding you to always strive for excellence without apology or permission. Thank you so much for watching.